So hey guys, it's me today. So we already learned how to make this. We haven't gone on a tutorial on this one or this one yet, but that's gonna be in the future. Anyways, I'm still trying to get this one out because I don't know which one that's gonna be. But I'm gonna tell you how to make this one. First off, you're gonna need a lot of money. So you're gonna have to get about like 50,000 bucks for this one, or you can buy it with gold. Now what I like to do the chain suspension with the gold because that's the cheapest. And then I max out the suspension first because that's way more cheaper. Then I get some more money for the rear wheels. But if you want this one, it's 0.4. The travel should be 11.11. No wait, 1.1. And then all of this should be like maxed out. I don't know. Yeah, it should all be maxed out. So then you want to do whatever paint you want. But I like red better, so I just want to do this. Now for the tires. So you're gonna need 70 gold, 70 bars of gold, I think, or $14,000. So you gotta buy this, and then you gotta put this one on I don't know how to say this. You want to go to this on default. The bead should be metallic, but no bead lock. So what you want to do for the tires on this one, you want to do the rim size 15, or if you want to like do it normally, you can just set it to 10 or normal. But I like this one. So yes. And then you need to go to upgrades. This is what you're going to need to max out. Power, grip, weight, and durability. Plus you're going to need a blower and the turbo. Because I also maxed out... Okay, wait, I didn't max this out. Okay, so now that we have all of this maxed out, you can cut out your hood and make an engine for it. So then you got all of your parts. Plus, if you want to make like more stuff, you can go to customization. So you want to go here. I like to install my body on this one. I already own this because I had a truck like this, but I just had to change it for the video. I'm gonna change it back. Yeah, you have this one, but I like this one better. Plus, you can put like whatever you want on it. Just make sure it kind of looks good. Plus, you can change the color to match it if you want. But I like this one because I already have it owned. Plus, you can also have these ones if you want. But I like to have the winch in case. So if you want to, yeah. Now for a tutorial on this one. This one's gonna be a pretty hard one. You're gonna need 100 gold. But don't spend it on this right now. You wanna spend it on this one. Okay? So you want to do it a glossy black. Like that. So then, this doesn't really cost any money. But now we're moving on to decals. First up, you're going to need a square to center the engine. Well, we're not going to go over it. Then you're going to need a rhombus for this and this. And then you want to have 2 Firestone marks right here. Now, you could go to the brand logos, but I don't think Firestone is there. Yeah. So now we're moving on to the inside. So you want to have this bumper on, this exact bumper, and then you want to have this like it is. Now what you're gonna have to need is this, right? And then you want to have this, for example, because this is a green light truck, and green light trucks have a lot of stuff on them. So yeah. So anyways, that's all. So then you need to go to your rims. This time you need to do a metallic on each. And the bead should be metallic too. So now once you've done that, we can go to the suspension part. So what I said earlier, you can use the 25 gold, which together is 50. And then you want to max the suspension out first because it's more cheaper. Then you want to get some money for right here. Plus, if you go over the limit of 4, then you need to get like 100 gold. It was hard for me at first, but then it was pretty easy. And then once you want to go to upgrades, you want to have the blower so you can have the engine. And then what you're going to need to other max out is durability, weight, grip, and power. Now do the power one last because that's the most expensive. Now we move on to this one. Very, very hard, but let's actually do it. First off, you want to get the Ford Raptor because that's what Blue Thunder is. Now you're going to want a blue, like a glossy blue like this. Now it's really easy to make these. All you need is these. You just need these cracks that lower like the windshield stuff. But you can do whatever you want. This can resemble thunder and stuff, okay? So I want you guys to use this example. Don't use the one that has a fill-in, because that doesn't make it really cool. Now for the tires. You're going to want these tires or these tires. I like these tires because they're more cheaper. So then you want to go to here. You want to have black on the spoke, then blue on the bead, and do the same for the rear part too. And then you just need a winch or not, and then you're all good to go. But you need to do these stuff and this stuff. Of course, do this one first, but I'm going to show you. So you want this to be 0.04, then the travel should be 8, because if it goes too high, it'll be a little bit too high, right? But anyways, I'm just showing you a demonstration. But anyways, so yeah, this is my tutorial. Bye guys.